everyone, and welcome back to Ms. Cheryl's Place. Today's video is all about fall. That's right, you heard me. It's all about fall. And if you would like to see what it is that I'm talking about, stay tuned. So today, I'm coming to you with an open collaboration invite. The collaboration is all about fall. So let me tell you what I mean. It is going to be a fall unboxing and decorate collaboration. That's right, a fall unboxing, decorate collaboration. The rules are very simple, and I am co-hosting it with two other lovely ladies. I am hosting this collaboration with iStyle Design, and that is Cheryl. And I am hosting it also with Everyday Living with Karen Jeter, which is Karen. These two sisters and I have come up with an open box collaboration decorate. That's right, it's a fall unboxing collaboration. And the rules are very simple. All you have to do is, one, mention the three of our channels. That is Ms.Cheryl's Place, iStyle Design, and Everyday Living with Karen Jeter. Two, you must hashtag unboxing fall decorate 2019. It is very simple. It's very easy. All you have to do is show a box, which is over here. I have a few things that's fall related, and unbox the box. Take something out of the box and decorate it. You can do a tablescape. You can do a wreath. You can do home decor. You can do an example like this. You can do anything. The opportunity and the end are endless. Whatever design you come up with is on you. So, please join us. The collaboration date is going to be on September the 7th. And we would love for you guys to join us in this collaboration. We simply just want you to hashtag fall unboxing and decorate 2019. Mention the host name, that is Ms.Cheryl's Place. That is also iStyle Design and Everyday Living with Karen Jeter. We want you to unbox your fall items and show us what you got and show us how you decorate. So, the upload of this video once again is on September the 7th. You can start uploading your videos at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will have a playlist associated with this, but if you are unable to post in the playlist, you should be able to hashtag and automatically be entered into the playlist. Again, the hashtag is fall unboxing 2019 and decorate. I'm sorry, it is hashtag fall unboxing and decorate 2019. And do not forget, the date is September the 7th. Upload time is at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can upload at 8 a.m. and any time after that. We will be glad to see what it is that you come up with. So please come on in and join us. One more thing I want you guys to know, that you are always welcome at Ms. Cheryl's Place. This is not goodbye. This is I will see you in the unboxing video. Have a great day.